Hey everybody, it's Crystal with Crystal's Diversity Creations. So I want to show you how I do the curved nails. So I actually have a full set on now, and I'm going to replace this set with my next set. So the main thing is purchasing this curved nail set glue, and it's the semi-glue and the remover set. You get the glue here. This is the semi-glue. It also comes with the remover glue. It's like a pinpoint glue. This is what we'll be using today to remove this glue. And included with that is a cuticle pusher and a little mini emery board. Outside of that, the only other things that I really think you should have on hand is some type of cuticle oil, because afterwards, with all of the filing and everything, you do need to kind of bring your nails back to life. So you need this. And then, of course, you need some type of nails. So when I did these nails, I used this CurvLife set. However, since then, it has just gotten out of hand, y'all. So I have bought this set at the same time. I'm not certain if I'm going to use this set, but this is what I bought. They sell toes. This is a set of toes, but I don't know how that's going to work. So that's something to be tried out on the weekend. Okay, so first we have to take these nails off. So this came with it. Again, this was a part of the set. Let's check it out. So I actually have one that was starting to lift. So let's say like right here. Then you're just going to follow around the cuticle of all of the remaining nails. Next, you will use the tool to start to loosen them and lift them off. So you have this set here. Now, we have to figure out which ones we're going to use. Do kind of like these. And they come with a little gel tab, so if you just want to use them temporarily, you can use them with just a gel tab, and they do come with glue as well, but not, I don't know if it's the it doesn't say whether or not it's the semi glue or just a regular glue. So what I like to do is to identify my set first. So if this is this finger, right, so I will get okay, so I have what we're doing now is just taking them, and I just really measure about halfway, and not too much, but not too skimpy, because I feel like if it's too much, it won't dry easily. And you kind of want it to dry. So it's just on, drag off, on, drag off. That's 2 times. Now press into place and hold. Release it. And these are the shorts that I have. I don't like them real long. I don't like them long when I go to the nailery. And that's the process. It's just what you're gonna do until you get your full set on. So we'll do one hand, and then I'll come back and show you what what the full set looks like. On, off, on, drag it off, press it all the way on, get it in place, hold it. And you just want to make sure you're holding the hole now. Okay. Okay, so the final step, now that we have all of the nails on, is to just apply a little cuticle oil. Just to help bring those cuticles back to life. Rub them in, rub it into the cuticles. That's how you get that nice shine. Bada bing, bada boom. Just like that. At home with your own little CurvLife products. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.